Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, it's going to be a mixed collection of cotton, linen, khadi, silk, all budget-friendly ranges. So it's going to be really beautiful casual wear sarees. Lovely designs we are going to see in today's video. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a beautiful cotton linen saree. In that, a very pretty tie and dye pattern in the designs. Very beautiful design running along the body of the saree. Both the sides we have silver zari and a lovely design running along the body of the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse is a running blouse for this saree. And the price of the saree is 720. In the same cotton linen batik saree, this is again a very beautiful black color pattern. This is the body of the saree. A beautiful color, lovely design. And the pallu of the saree is this. The blouse is running blouse for these sarees. And the price of the saree is 720. We have some lovely colors in the same. I'll show you all the other colors. The next is going to be a lovely orange. Beautiful orange. Lovely design, very pretty orange, lovely color, very pretty design. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this beautiful pallu, and the price of this saree is 720. The next is going to be a very pretty green. This is a mehendi green. So this is the body of the saree. Lovely color. When you wear, it will look really rich. Simple sarees, but look really class look. Very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse is again a running blouse for this. The next is going to be very pretty red. It's not too bright. This red is actually nice red. It's not too bright a red. The simple subtle red. Beautiful bandhani pattern. In tie and dye design, very pretty colors. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 720. And the next is a very beautiful lovely navy blue. Yeah, this is the body of the saree. Look really pretty when you wear. Class combinations, looks really nice. When you actually pair it up with some different contrast blouses, it will look really pretty. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the price of the saree is 720. This is such a lovely khadi cotton saree. A very beautiful color combo in blue and white color combination. A half and half pattern. In the bottom part you have the blue, on the top part you have a white, and in between you have a lovely self weaving done. Very beautiful weaving. This is how it's going to look when you wear. Class piece. Very different and lovely. This is the pallu of the saree. Beautiful pallu, and the blouse is in blue color. Very pretty design, and the price of this saree is 700. This is again a very pretty silver butta linen sarees, cotton linen sarees. We have a beautiful silver zaris on this. We have a nice silver border, bigger border on one side, or the other side is a smaller border. And throughout the body we have a beautiful silver butta running along the body. This is a powder blue color, a very slight light color, whoever loves subtle colors will love this shade. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of the saree is running blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 850. We have some lovely color combinations in this, all very light shades. This is a very beautiful pista green, light green, these greens. If you just put one dark color blouse for this saree, you will look class. Such a pretty design, lovely color. Beautiful color combination, the same silver butta pattern. Have a closer look of the butta and the design. Very pretty one. Lovely shade, and the price of this saree is 850. The next in the same pattern is a beautiful light yellow. Beautiful yellow, light yellow. Very pretty yellow. More of a chandana color than and yellow. We can say it's a chandana color. Beautiful color combination in the silver Buddha pattern. Lovely design. And the price of this saree is 850. This is a lovely ikat pattern design cotton linen saree. Both the sides silver zari with a slight slavage border on red. And throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat pattern running along the body. This is a light mango yellow. Looks a really class apart color. Looks so pretty color. And the pallu of the saree is this beautiful pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this pretty blouse. And the price of the saree is 820. We have some 3 lovely color combinations in this. I'll show you the other colors. The next is going to be a beautiful baby pink. Lovely color. Look at this, how beautiful the color looks. Lovely, the shades is very pretty. Look really class when you wear, like no, you should just match it up with a nice red color blouse for this. Look really pretty. And this is the body. And again the pallu of the saree is this. And the blouse is in contrast red. And the price of this saree is 820. And the last combination in the same pattern is a peach. All pastel shades. Always the pastel shades looks pretty. A beautiful lovely peach color and red color combination. Looks really class. And this is the pallu of the saree. Looks very pretty when you wear. And the blouse is again contrast red color. And the price of this saree is 820. This is a very lovely cotton linen saree again. It's a super soft quality, like the flow will be so nice. It will just drape you like in a very beautiful manner. It will just stick to you. It will be so nice. Both the sides we have a silver zari, and throughout the body we have a digital print. Lovely print running along the body. This is more of a peachish pink color, and the border is in contrast darker peach color. Lovely shade, beautiful design. And the pallu of the saree is this beautiful pallu with tassels you have. And the blouse of the saree is going to be a lovely blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, a pretty blouse. And the price of this saree is 1260. In the same cotton linen saree, this is a very beautiful light green, more of a light peacock green or a Rexona green, that kind of a shade. In that we have a beautiful floral motif running along the body of the saree, which makes the saree look really classy. How grand and neat it will look when you wear it. And this is the pallu of the saree, beautiful pallu. And the blouse of the saree is this in printed, and the price of this saree is 1260. This is again a lovely cotton linen saree in light orange color. Both the sides silver zari and a lovely digital print running along the body of the saree with floral motifs, beautiful simple floral motifs. These sarees will look such a class look when you wear. And this is the pallu of the saree with tassels. And the blouse of the saree is this. This is the blouse of the saree. Beautiful blouse in printed. And the price of this saree is 1260. This is a very beautiful cotton linen saree, again a very super soft material. This is more in a sea green color, very beautiful color. In that we have a nice floral print running along the body of the saree. Looks so class, and the material is really flowy. You should feel the material. Whoever feels the material would just love to buy this saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, and you have beautiful tassels. And the blouse of the saree is in beautiful printed blouse, very beautiful blouse. Very pretty. And the price of this saree is 1260. This is again a beautiful floral print cotton linen saree, very super soft quality. Both the side is silver zari with a darker blue slavage border, and throughout the body we have a pretty lovely floral print running along the body of the saree. What a wow, lovely design. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is again in plain, and the price of this saree is 1210. This is a very lovely green color cotton linen saree again. It's a super soft quality. Both the sides silver zari, and throughout the body we have a lovely floral motif running along the body of the saree. Very soft soft material. You will just love the material. And this is the pallu of the saree. And the beauty of the saree is going to be a lovely blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1080. This is again a very pretty cotton linen sari in ikat pattern design. This is completely digital printed design. It's not digital print, and both the sides we have a silver zari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful lovely ikat pattern running along the body. It's a tricolor pattern, very beautiful. And the pallu of the sari is, this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is again an ikat pattern design. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1030. This is again a very lovely cotton linen sari in black and red color combination. We have a ikat border on both the sides of the sari, a beautiful design, lovely pattern. It's the body of the sari, lovely pattern, and the pallu of the sari is again an ikat design, and the blouse is in contrast red in ikat pattern, and the price of this sari is 1030. This is a lovely grey with orange color cotton linen sari. Such a wow combination, beautiful combo. Light grey with a light orange, it's not too bright. Both the sides we have silver zari, and throughout the body we have a beautiful ikat pattern design running along the body of the sari. Very pretty design. And the pallu of the sari is this beautiful pallu, and the blouse of the sari is this very pretty blouse, and the price of this sari is 1030. This is again a beautiful ikat pattern cotton linen sari. This is more of an orange chili red, like an orange and red mix, that kind of a shade. In that a blue black color border, and both the sides we have an ikat border. Beautiful pattern, and plain body running along the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this in ikat design, and the blouse of the sari is this beautiful blouse in ikat pattern. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1030. This is a lovely khadi silk material. In that we have a beautiful crackle pattern design, batik pattern design, more of a batik pattern design. We have a beautiful border, contrast border in navy blue, and a lovely design running along the body of the sari. Very class designs and a lovely pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this beautiful blouse, and the price of this sari is 780. In the same lovely khadi silk material, such a beautiful lovely combination, a light brown or more of a light chocolate color, that kind of a shade in the crackle pattern design and khadi silk material. This khadi silk material, the flow will be so super soft and super nice, more like a synthetic soft material, that kind of a design, and a very beautiful crackle pattern design running along the body of the sari, a pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, beautiful pallu, and we have a contrast blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 780. We have one more combination in this. That's a very lovely rust color, the same khadi silk material, beautiful pattern, lovely rust with mud shade or off-white shade, very beautiful color combo and a lovely design, very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is plain blouse, contrast blouse, and the price of this sari is 780. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have loved the collections today. Very pretty lovely color combination, beautiful pattern. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.